This is why you need intermittent fasting in your life. To repair and regenerate. It's like a natural detox, the eating window. You eat normally but within a specific time frame. Simple, right? Stage 2. Fasting begins. Your body starts using stored energy. This is when the magic starts. Stage 3. Fat burning mode. After about 12 hours, your body switches to burning fat for fuel. Say goodbye to those extra pounds. Stage 4. Autophagy. Around 16 hours in, your cells begin to repair and regenerate. It's like a natural detox. Stage 5. Deep ketosis. After 24 hours, your body's in full fat-burning mode, and you're feeling more energized. So there you have it. Intermittent fasting made simple. Ready to give it a try? Your future self will thank you. Chapter 2. Benefits of intermittent fasting. By giving your body a break from constant eating, you allow its including weight loss, improved metabolic health, and increased longevity. In this chapter, we will explore these benefits in detail. First up, weight loss. When you fast, your body uses stored fat for energy, which helps you shed those extra pounds. It's a natural and effective way to lose weight without the need for extreme diets. Next, let's talk about metabolic health. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. By giving your body a break from constant eating, you allow it to reset and function more efficiently. And finally, increase longevity. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can promote cellular repair and reduce inflammation, both of which are key factors in aging. It's like giving your body a tune-up for a longer, healthier life. So, whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your metabolism, or live a longer life, intermittent fasting has something to offer. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to make the most of intermittent fasting. Your journey to better health starts here. Chapter 3. Different methods of intermittent fasting narrate and how you can incorporate them into your daily life, as they fit within your eating window. This method is for goals and maintain higher energy levels throughout the day. Focus on nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods to ensure you leads to weight loss over time. Lastly, there's the setting your eating habits and giving your digestive system a break. For improving your health and well-being, it can help you achieve your weight loss to different lifestyles and preferences. Let's dive into the most popular ones and explore how they work, their benefits, and how you can incorporate them into your daily life. First up, the 16/8 method. This is one of the most straightforward and widely adopted methods of intermittent fasting. It involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. For many people, this means skipping breakfast and eating their first meal around noon, then finishing their last meal by 8 p.m. The 16/8 method is popular because it can be easily incorporated into your daily routine without much disruption. You can still enjoy your favorite meals and snacks as long as they fit within your eating window. This method is particularly effective for weight loss and improving metabolic health. By extending the fasting period, your body has more time to burn fat for energy. Additionally, many people report feeling more energetic and focused during the fasting period. Meal planning and preparation can make the 16/8 method even more effective. By having healthy meals and snacks ready to go, you can avoid the temptation to reach for unhealthy options during your eating window. Many people find that the 16/8 method helps them achieve their weight loss goals and maintain higher energy levels throughout the day. It's a sustainable approach that can be adapted to fit various lifestyles and dietary preferences. Next, we have the 5-2 diet. This method requires you to eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to about 500-600 calories on the remaining 2 days. The 5-2 diet is flexible and can be adjusted to fit your lifestyle. You can choose any 2 days of the week to restrict your calories as long as they are not consecutive. On the fasting days, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods to ensure you get the necessary vitamins and minerals. This might include vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The 5-2 diet is popular because it allows for flexibility and doesn't require daily fasting. This can make it easier to stick to in the long term, especially for those who find daily fasting challenging. Many people find that the 5-2 diet helps them manage their weight and improve their overall health. By reducing calorie intake on 2 days of the week, you can create a calorie deficit that leads to weight loss over time. Lastly, there's the eat-stop-eat method. This involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. For example, you might finish dinner at 7 p.m. and not eat again until 7 p.m. the next day. While a 24-hour fast may sound challenging, many people find that it helps them break free from unhealthy eating habits and promotes better overall health. During the fasting period, you can drink water, tea, and other non-caloric beverages to stay hydrated. The eat-stop-eat method can be a powerful tool for resetting your eating habits and giving your digestive system a break. Many people report feeling more energized and focused after a 24-hour fast. Each method of intermittent fasting has its benefits and can be tailored to suit your personal preferences and goals. It's important to listen to your body and choose a method that feels sustainable for you. The key is to find the method that works best for you and stick with it. Consistency and dedication are crucial for seeing the benefits of intermittent fasting. With consistency and dedication, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being. It can help you achieve your weight loss goals, improve your metabolic health, and increase your energy levels. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to make the most of intermittent fasting. We'll be exploring different strategies, sharing success stories, and providing practical advice to help you on your journey. Your journey to better health continues here. Remember, the most important thing is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. With the right approach, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for achieving your health and wellness goals. To succeed with intermittent fasting, it's important to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can also help you manage hunger. This can provide a comforting and satisfying alternative to water, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to ensure energy crashes and cravings. These foods are often high and extremely hungry. It might be a sign that you need to adjust your fasting and make it a sustainable part of your lifestyle. First and foremost, always stay hydrated. Hydration is crucial for maintaining your energy levels, supporting your metabolism, and ensuring that your body functions optimally. Drinking enough water can also help you manage hunger and reduce the temptation to snack between meals. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb hunger and keep you feeling full. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider carrying a reusable water bottle with you to make it easier to stay hydrated. You can also set reminders on your phone or use a hydration app to track your water intake and ensure you're meeting your daily goals. Herbal teas and black coffee are also good options to keep you hydrated without breaking your fast. These beverages can provide a comforting and satisfying alternative to water, and they can also offer additional health benefits. For example, green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help boost your metabolism, while black coffee can enhance your focus and mental clarity. Next, focus on nutrient-dense foods during your eating windows. When you break your fast, it's important to choose foods that provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. This will help you feel more satisfied and energized, and it will support your overall health and well-being. Incorporate whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to ensure your body gets the essential nutrients it needs. Whole foods are minimally processed and are packed with nutrients that can help you feel your best. For example, fruits and vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, while lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu can help build and repair your muscles. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, can support brain health and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks, as they can lead to energy crashes and cravings. These foods are often high in empty calories and low in nutrients, which can make it harder to stick to your fasting schedule and achieve your health goals. Instead, opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods that will nourish your body and keep you feeling satisfied. Listening to your body is crucial. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it's important to pay attention to how your body responds to different fasting schedules and food choices. This will help you find a routine that works for you and supports your overall well-being. If you feel lightheaded, fatigued, or extremely hungry, it might be a sign that you need to adjust your fasting schedule. It's important to listen to these signals and make changes as needed to ensure that you're taking care of your body. For example, you might need to shorten your fasting window, increase your calorie intake during your eating periods, or choose different foods that provide more sustained energy. It's important to find a balance that works for you and supports your overeating schedule, and make nutritious choices that support your health goals. 2 hours each week to prepare and portion out your meals, and these changes. Remember that progress is not always linear. Weight loss and enhanced overall health. Celebrate, and we hope these tips will help you succeed with intermittent fasting. Plan your meals ahead of time. Meal planning can help you make healthier choices, save time and money, and reduce the temptation to eat unhealthy foods. By having a plan in place, you'll be more likely to stick to your fasting schedule and make nutritious choices that support your health goals. Having a meal plan can help you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive eating. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods, and make a grocery list based on your plan. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you have all the ingredients you need to prepare healthy meals. Prep meals in advance to ensure you have nutritious options readily available. Meal prepping can save you time and make it easier to stick to your fasting schedule. Set aside a few hours each week to prepare and portion out your meals, and store them in the fridge or freezer for easy access. This will help you avoid the temptation to grab unhealthy snacks or fast food when you're short on time or feeling hungry. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Intermittent fasting is not a quick fix but a lifestyle change. It takes time for your body to adjust to a new eating schedule, and you may experience some challenges along the way. However, with consistency and dedication, you can achieve your health and fitness goals. Embrace the journey and be kind to yourself as you make these changes. Remember that progress is not always linear and it's normal to have setbacks. The important thing is to stay committed to your goals and keep moving forward. Give your body time to adjust and don't be discouraged by initial challenges. It's common to experience some discomfort or difficulty when you first start intermittent fasting, but these feelings often subside as your body adapts. Stay focused on your long-term goals and trust the process. With consistency and dedication, you'll start to see and feel the benefits of intermittent fasting. These benefits can include improved energy levels, better mental clarity, weight loss, and enhanced overall health. Celebrate your progress and use it as motivation to keep going. Remember, the key to successful intermittent fasting is to find a routine that fits your lifestyle and supports your health goals. This might mean experimenting with different fasting schedules, trying new recipes, or finding ways to stay active and manage stress. The most important thing is to find what works for you and make it a sustainable part of your life. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to help you on your journey to better health. We're here to support you every step of the way, and we hope these tips will help you succeed with intermittent fasting and achieve your health and fitness goals. Starting intermittent fasting can be an exciting journey towards better goals with greater ease. Let's dive into the details. And eating too little can lead to fatigue, nutrient deficiencies. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that you can eat anything you want. Instead, opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins. Fasting comes with its own set of challenges and common pitfalls that can derail your progress if you're not careful. In this chapter, we'll highlight some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. By being aware of these mistakes, you can navigate your intermittent fasting journey more effectively and achieve your health goals with greater ease. Let's dive into the details and explore how to make your intermittent fasting experience as smooth and beneficial as possible. First, not eating enough during your eating windows. This is a mistake that many beginners make, often due to the misconception that eating less will accelerate weight loss. However, this approach can backfire. It's crucial to consume adequate calories and nutrients to support your body's needs. Your body requires a certain amount of energy to function optimally, and depriving it of necessary nutrients can lead to a host of problems. Skipping meals or eating too little can lead to fatigue, nutrient deficiencies, and even muscle loss. When your body doesn't get enough fuel, it starts to break down muscle tissue for energy, which can be counterproductive, especially if you're aiming to build or maintain muscle mass. Make sure your meals are well-balanced and nutritious. Incorporate a variety of food groups to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. This will help keep your energy levels stable and support overall health. Next, overindulging in unhealthy foods during your eating windows. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that you can eat anything you want during your eating periods, but this can sabotage your efforts. While it might be tempting to eat anything and everything, focusing on nutrient-dense foods is key. Foods that are rich in nutrients will provide your body with the fuel it needs to function properly and support your fasting efforts. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and empty calories. These types of foods can lead to spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, making it harder to stick to your fasting schedule and maintain energy levels. Instead, opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods will help keep you satisfied and provide the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Another common mistake is not staying hydrated. Hydration is crucial for overall health and can significantly impact how you feel during your fasting periods. Dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and hunger pangs can be counterproductive. While it's important to have a plan, it's equal. Lastly, expecting immediate results. Make adjustments as needed and stay committed to your health goals. By avoiding the journey, whether you're a beginner or have been practicing, carrying a water bottle with you to remind yourself to stay hydrated, and consider herbal teas or black coffee to keep you hydrated without breaking your fast. These beverages can also provide a comforting ritual during your fasting periods and help curb hunger. Additionally, being too rigid with your fasting schedule can be counterproductive. While it's important to have a plan, it's equally important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Listen to your body and be flexible. If you find that a particular fasting schedule isn't working for you, don't be afraid to try a different approach. The goal is to find a routine that you can maintain long-term. If you feel unwell or overly hungry, it might be a sign that you need to adjust your fasting times. Ignoring these signals can lead to burnout and make it harder to stick with intermittent fasting. It's important to find a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. Lastly, expecting immediate results. Many people start intermittent fasting with high expectations, hoping to see quick changes in their weight or health. Intermittent fasting is not a quick fix but a long-term lifestyle change. It's important to set realistic expectations and understand that meaningful changes take time. Be patient and give your body time to adjust. It may take several weeks or even months to see significant results, but consistency will pay off in the long run. Consistency and dedication are key to seeing and feeling the benefits. Stick with your plan, make adjustments as needed, and stay committed to your health goals. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can set yourself up for a successful intermittent fasting journey. Remember, the goal is to support your overall health and well-being. Intermittent fasting is just one tool in your health toolkit, and it's important to approach it with a balanced and informed mindset. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to help you on your path to better health. We'll continue to explore various aspects of intermittent fasting and other health strategies to support your journey. Whether you're a beginner or have been practicing intermittent fasting for a while, there's always something new to learn and ways to improve your approach.